swing dancers, next Nightclub, talented Miss Stephanie. We're not going to show you, but we taught for our weekly Thursday class here at Nick's. This is something from a series I entitled Dallas. Long reason why, but this is the second version of a Dallas series move. It originates off a hustle whip. So just really quick, 8 counts, hustle style, sugar push. And then use both hands, low, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just front to back, just so you can see that. We're not going to break that part down very well, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we did that for the class, because that leads up to the fancy move. The next part, 1, 2, 3, and 4 for this move is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nothing's changed for her or for you. But by 5, I'm going to take my right hand, which is Stephanie's left hand. And as she starts to go by me, past my right side, I'm going to turn my wrist and begin to turn her to her right. So it's really a free spin for her. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's not a very quick turn for the ladies, but it is a subtle turn. So going this way, front to back. I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the hand I'm using. I pull her through, zero release, and she travels on her own. It's not a very big move. It's really a slow turning step, but she ends up on the 8th count. Then we get into the fancier part. So after 4, let's do a sugar push. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. By 1, 2, 3, and 4, guys are going to keep doing that hand turn. So 5, 6. And I'm turning towards her. I want to be looking at her because her right hand, which is free, I'm going to connect with my right arm and accelerate for 7 and 8. So I'm really grabbing a wrist. Better to control the partner if you do that. So going this way. So guys, as soon as you let her go, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, here's the hand, and then you accelerate and you catch it. So it's a real quick turn. She's finishing her turn as she's doing her 7 and 8. So let's do it a little bit quicker. Sugar push here. Get off the track. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Harder to do when it's slow, but let's go this direction. Let's show you how I get off the track. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I turn. 5, 6, pick her up, 7, and 8. I'm going to be off the track to her left when I'm done with that 8th count, just because it's easier for me to control her. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm holding her right here with my right hand. I'm off to her left. Then to get out of it, a couple options. We're going to stop on 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to go walk, prep, triple, and triple. And how that is led again is right to right. Make her walk in on 1, lift and prepare her with her left to left on 2. She does her triple, and she goes by. So that's one way to do it. We're going to do it again with that ending. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk. Let her go. That's Dallas 2.0. One more time. Again, it's the turn on 5, 6 guys. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you let her go. Send her through. It's a cool move. That connection on 7 and 8 is critical. Not every follow should have their arms low. You're going to have to work on that if it's a partner you're not used to. But it's a cool move once you get it right. Thank you guys. Sincerely hope you like using that one. Remember to click subscribe every week for a new video. I'd appreciate it. Stephanie would appreciate it. Until next time, have a great week. Keep dancing. Bye-bye.